From Sprite and Coca-Cola Bottle Studios, I present, since my name actually is Payton, I present in honor of Super Mario Logan. Okay, I can shut up now. Super Bird Payton! I will be making a new channel, yes, and by the way, no models. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to be making a new channel called Super Bird Payton. I will just be doing, like, vlogs, I mean, yeah, just doing stuff. I might do some, like, extra stuff, like some one-part video game things. I can't use the Android smartphone. I can't use any Android smartphone videos. Because I use an Android smartphone to record. So, yeah, I don't put anything in the description box. Down there. But anyway, since I don't really feel like putting stuff in the description box, since I upload stuff from an Android smartphone, it just puts in the description, this video was uploaded from an Android smartphone. So yeah, I am, excited to do this new channel. Yeah, I think I'm only going to make this about 3 minutes. Right now it's, about 2:15. I have 45 seconds. What to talk about. Like I said, gonna be doing some Mortal Kombat stuff, like I said in my vlog. When it actually said what time it is on my vlog, I have no idea why. Yeah, this is going to be... I don't know. I have no idea. I guess you could just look at Red passed out over there for the 10 seconds that we have left.